Right, before we start the little vlog of the hideaway party, here's today's exchange rates. So that's today's exchange rates, Thai baht, for TT currency exchange. Now watch the vlog, the film, the video. Don't go just because you got your rates. Watch the vlog now. Go on.
Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Hey, yeah, we're at the takeaway. We're at the hideaway, and it's about 8:30 and it's in full swing. There, mate, Scott.
Hello.
Sensations Bar.
Good evening, mate.
Alright, mate. Alright. How's it going? Alright. So it's not a bad turnout at the moment, plenty going on, good music. You notice there's no balloons, fuck them, they can piss off. No chasers here tonight, they won't know, they'll look and think, nah, it's just a bar. So he's hit the balloons.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Thumbs up from the Naked Ape.
Oh, the Naked Apes here at last. At last we meet the Naked Ape. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Bubble.
Very well, thank you. Thanks for coming. The Naked Apes here at last we meet. Let me just quickly show you the food, and then I'm going to come back and speak to the Naked Ape. Bubbles, hold on. Here's the food. Let's put the good spread on us there, Andy. The man of the moment. I've been hit with copyright music left, right and centre. I think YouTube ain't gonna know where to start with me tonight. So I could get a strike, but you're all worth it, so don't worry about that. But I'm gonna have a chat with Naked Ape for a little while. He's been a subscriber for a long while, and I've been wanting to meet the man. I want to meet you all. So see you shortly. So one of the great things about the hideaway party, when you've been dancing for like 3 hours and your feet are feeling a bit worn because you're an old bastard like me, is next door now on, next door but one. You can get your feet sorted out nicely. For the next 2 hours, a bit of rejuvenation, I'm calling it. Oh, that's lovely. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, wait, not too high. That's it. Oh, wait, too high again. She keeps knocking a nut. So I'll have a nice little foot rejuvenation. Oh, nut again. And then we'll get back to the party. Oh, it's Thailand. You can't beat it. You really can't beat it. Oh, hold on. That was the other nut. See you back at the party. Oh, you're not shy. You shy.
You shy.
Yeah, she's shy. Right, that's the feet rejuvenated and straight back into the party. They didn't even miss me. Oh, fucking brilliant. I love Thailand. Love it. you know it. I just thought I couldn't come here to the party and not invite you and show you. So, thanks for coming, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share. If you didn't, fucking don't. But still, please subscribe. Please do. And we'll see you very soon. Thanks a lot. Good night.